Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine Stockdale. I'm a first year, second semester university student at Murdoch, studying a Bachelor of Education in Primary Teaching. So we are in a unit 113, which is Living and Learning with Technology. And for our second assignment, we have to build a blog that is based around a project for your specific year group. So I've chosen to do Year 3 Science, and this is my website. So this is the home page. It's just this is just a basic overview to say welcome to the project. That it will be about change of state, which is like between different objects, so like from ice to water, chocolate to melted chocolate, etc. And basically this project is about having fun, learning new skills, and it's about based around science, but also the use of technology, because at the end of all the lessons completed, the students will create a poster with the Canva website. So yeah, let's get into it. So on my website, I have put a project overview page, which just has a basic description of the tasks. So it just mentions about how the tasks are over a 6-week period. One lesson will be conducted each week. And each week the topics will be different, although will flow from the last and into the next. The lessons all have different activities within them just to help the students, I guess, learn. Throughout the lessons, the students will participate in them developing new knowledge and skills about this topic, and also skills and information they can include on their end product. So we'll just head into the lessons now. So lesson 1 is a 40-minute lesson, and it's based around introducing the topic to the students and the project that needs to be completed. So there's part 1 of the lesson, which will be around getting to know the students and what they already know. Lesson 2 is about students being in groups with different objects and experimenting for themselves, so melting these objects. Lesson 3 is a whole class activity where the students will make predictions about what they think will happen to the objects that the teacher has at the front. Lesson 4 is about being put into groups who they'll make their end product with. And lesson 5 is creating the poster, which is the end product. They'll work together to create this product, which needs to be informative but also eye-catching. And lesson 6 is about the students actually presenting this work to their fellow classmates and their parents to show their knowledge and what they have learned. I also have an example end product, which is just here. So this is a very basic example. I would obviously expect a bit more from the students with a few more better terminology on there. But yeah, and that's everything, and I hope you enjoy.